Powerful, powerful message. Got the Eagles on. They play today. And my daughter ain't helped me with stuff, so flag today. But powerful message. Be strong, be courage. Never lose hope, never lose faith. And count it all joy. Count it all joy. Speak those things as if they were. But just know that the Philadelphia Eagles, bird gang, baby. Woo! Try something different today with my leopard pants. Well, these not leopard, but what are these? Cheetah? What is this? What kind of pants are these? Cheetah pants? I don't know. Just the print in them. Just something different. Just something different, you know. Gotta be different, gotta be unique. All right, we getting ready to go eat. Gotta be different, gotta be unique. We about to go eat. All right, service was all amazing. So we're getting ready to go eat with one of my church sisters, and just enjoy this Sunday. You dig? Have fun. Life is too short. Life is so precious. Life is so precious. So we gotta enjoy life while we still have breath in our body, breath in our lungs. Our heart is beating and regulating to this rhythm. And even if you have even if you have ailments going on, just all things work together. Just give God the glory. My season of stretching. Season of stretching. This is my season of stretching. Jesus' precious name. I thank Him. I praise Him. Give Him the glory, give Him the honor. That is all due to Him, that He deserves it. Alright, let's see what the diner. Alright, we at Springfield Diner. Waiting outside. Long wait. 15 minutes ain't bad, but I ain't been here in a while, so let's go try their food. See you soon. Alright, we found a trail. So let's see what this one is called. It's our Sunday walk day. See what this trail is about. And this is our Radnor Trail. Alright. Yes, this is a random trail, so.
I thought you said random.
No, Radnor, random. It is random because something new. Something new on the trail. Now we gotta figure out. Alright. So now we just have to figure out which way to start the trail. Do we go to the left or do we go to the right?
What did Jesus always say?
Go right.
Yes.
All right. See what did Jesus always say? Go right. All right. Here's the trail, and we are walking it. They got the porta potties out there. Guess people go to the bathroom. Please stay on trail. Do not try to go off the trail in the bushes. All right. I'm about to explore. Here we go. Well, Nevada, what kind of tree is this?
Bamboo.
Wow. This is really nice.
You could tell because it has those little lines in it.
The shoots.
Yeah. And you could tell. So if you bring a panda, if you brought a panda down here, they would eat the whole thing.
Okay. Thank you. Good to know. Good to know. Y'all see that? Whoa. Look how far look at that. And then the tree go way up. Look at them. Look at that. Whoa. All right. Interesting. All right. So we decided to turn back around and walk the other way.
You decided to go left.
So this time we're going left. And we're gonna see what's down this way a little bit.
I wonder what's right there though. And I know it says the library, but
Let's see.
oh snap! It's lit. No, literally, it's lit. Oh, the lights are on.
Not that you saying like it's lit, like it's litty.
Niggas, lights are on.
All right.
Hello. Is it a
E-A-G-L-E-S. Eagles, baby. Eagles, baby. Eagles, baby. Eagles, baby. Eagles. Let me see them gloves. Toss them gloves. 1, 2. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Baby, let's go. Bird gang.